How does blockchain technology help organizations when sharing data? Blockchain technology has the potential to change the way that organizations share data. This blog post details how blockchain works and can be used for more than just cryptocurrency. For many companies, the only option for sharing information with other organizations is through a centralized system like a database. The problem with this system is that it leaves those databases vulnerable to hacks from outsiders or errors from within. The blockchain offers a way to share data without any of these issues. To understand how blockchain works, you must first understand how a blockchain network is set up. This blog post series will detail blockchain specifics and features, but for now, there are some key things to know. Each participant on the network has access to a copy of the ledger. Each ledger contains the same information as all other ledgers, so all participants have access to the same information. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that can store data in a way that makes it extremely difficult to hack, rob, or modify that data. A blockchain is a distributed ledger containing all of the transactions that have occurred across all network nodes. This is blockchain's most basic form. Each block of the blockchain records several separate transactions, and the ledgers of all participants are synchronized whenever a payment update is added to the chain. Transactions on a blockchain are recorded using hashes, which are another name for cryptographic signatures. Data sharing frameworks cannot interfere with individual transactions because each has its distinct hash. Blockchain eliminates any concerns individuals and companies might have regarding data exchange in real time when applied in this manner. This is the central concept behind what makes blockchains such powerful tools for managing data. Blockchain has been the topic of much hype lately, and for a good reason. The technology has serious implications for how organizations share data, and many companies plan to implement blockchain into their business models shortly. This article details how blockchain works and why it is such a promising technology. Applications of blockchain in data management. Applications of blockchain in data management. Data security. Blockchain offers a lot of benefits for data security. Since every block on a blockchain contains information about the previous blocks, it is very difficult for anyone to modify a transaction or insert any false information into the ledger. This ability to verify the integrity of data is extremely important, and blockchain technology can be used to secure all kinds of sensitive data. The fact that access to the ledger is permission-based also means that only people with permission can access sensitive information about transactions and payments. This makes blockchain an ideal technology for financial institutions, hospitals, and other institutions that handle sensitive information. Data speeds and scalability. Data sharing on a public blockchain can be lightning fast. This is because all the network nodes are constantly working together to ensure that the ledger is up to date. All the information is accessible in real time, and there aren't any delays since only the nodes that need to see specific transactions can do so. Each block contains a high volume of information, which makes it ideal for large-scale data sharing. Data sharing. Blockchain technology can turn almost any data into a distributed ledger. It's capable of recording just about anything, and its decentralized nature makes it suitable for any organization or business that wishes to use it. This includes public organizations, companies that handle personal data, institutions like banks and government agencies, and even individual users who wish to share information with others. Improved efficiency. In addition to securing and sharing data, blockchain technology can also improve efficiency. All the nodes in a blockchain network are constantly working together to ensure that the ledger is up to date. This means the ledger is always kept current, even when no active data transaction occurs. In most cases, additional computational resources aren't required for updating ledgers because all nodes work together. Smart contracts. In addition to allowing organizations to make transactions in real time, blockchain technology can also be used to create smart contracts. These are essentially computer programs designed to encode rules determining how data will be shared. They can even automate many actions that normally need to be carried out manually. This means that once a smart contract is established, it will automatically carry out its actions, such as automatically transferring money between accounts. Blockchain technology can also create more complex smart contracts that execute more sophisticated actions. With the right tools, blockchain-based smart contracts can even carry out their analysis and make financial decisions on their own. Cost-effective management. This is not a problem if a single organization manages the blockchain. However, things get tricky when several companies need to share data and work together on the same blockchain. Since every node on the network needs to participate, it's necessary to have access to a distributed ledger that all nodes can access. For example, if you want to share data between two companies, you'll need two completely separate blockchains with two completely separate ledgers. Data traceability. A blockchain can be used to log everything that happens in the network. This includes all the transactions, which means it provides a permanent record of everything that has happened. You can look at all the data stored on the ledger at any time and track it from start to finish. This kind of data record is known as a chain, and they're designed to provide a certain level of safety by allowing individuals to access their information with complete trust. Conclusion. Blockchain technology is incredibly promising for individuals who have data privacy concerns. It allows for a secure and efficient way to share information and make payments, as well as a means of logging all events in a network. The technology also allows for the automation of financial tasks and even the creation of smart contracts. It's also cheaper to operate thanks to its distributed nature. Blockchain has a lot to offer in data management, but it's worth noting that several issues still need to be worked out. For example, bugs and security issues will have to be solved before any real success can be achieved.